Microwave ovens may be the most convenient invention in the history of inventions, particularly for lazy people like us who can't be bothered to put food in a pan and heat it up. It's even more surprising when you find out that the technology was accidentally invented by Percy Spender in 1946. Since then, though, the microwave oven has gone through a whole lot of transformations, and now we have several options to pick from. Two of the most common types of microwave ovens are the grill microwave oven and the convection microwave oven. The earliest microwaves were only used to prepare simple meals or to reheat leftovers. However, with changing times, microwaves these days can do a whole lot more, like grilling, baking, and roasting, along with some of their main uses. Grill microwave ovens versus convection microwave ovens. Grill microwave ovens are a bit more advanced than regular, solo microwave ovens, but less so than convection ovens. These microwaves come with a heating element either at the top or the bottom which radiates heat as well as magnetrons that emit microwaves. A grill microwave may have additional features like a metal grill or rack. This is used to raise food near the top of the microwave where the radiant heating element is located. This helps to evenly toast bread, grill food, and melt cheese, at the touch of a button. These additional features allow you to roast meat and vegetables. This is very convenient since you can get the grill taste without going through the task of heating your coals and firing up your barbecue grill. Because of these features, a grill microwave may be more expensive than a solo microwave. A grill microwave, however, cannot bake your food. This is because there is no fan that can distribute the heat evenly to your food. You may find that grill microwave oven, though widely available, are still less common options than solo or convection microwaves. This may be because people may not consider a microwave the best place to grill, or they would rather buy a convection oven with extra features. Convection microwave. A convection microwave oven is a full-featured appliance that has all the features of a regular microwave, a grill microwave, and a standard baking oven. Users often prefer to buy convection microwaves as it prevents them from the added expense of buying these three appliances separately. A convection microwave oven is equipped with a heating element and a fan that moves hot air around the confines of the microwave. This is equivalent to a regular oven, but even more efficient because the hot air distributes the heat evenly throughout the food more quickly and effectively. With a convection oven, you can defrost, reheat, grill, brown, crisp, and bake all sorts of yummy goodies. If you rely on your microwave oven to perform a wide variety of cooking tasks, then a convection microwave oven is a better choice for you. These ovens also come with a metal rack, like grill microwave ovens, and you can use metal containers to heat the food on any setting except the regular microwave one. Because of these added functions, conventional microwave ovens are usually more expensive than solo and grill microwave ovens. So, which microwave oven should you buy, grill or convection? The answer to this question depends a lot on what you want to get out of your microwave. If you usually use your microwave oven to reheat or defrost things, then buying an expensive convection oven is not a great idea. If, however, you like to eat grilled food, but do not have access to an outdoor grill, you can buy a grill microwave oven. A convection microwave oven has all the features of a grill microwave oven, plus even more, so if you have the money, investing in it is a great idea. However, you can only get value for your money if you intend to bake or cook a lot of meat in a short amount of time in a convection microwave oven. Although it is easy to get hooked by the lure of extra features provided by a convection microwave oven, you won't be using it to your maximum if you don't use it for baking too. Considering convection microwaves are quite pricey, this is something you need to think about. In the end, it all depends on what type of food you intend to cook in your microwave and whether you have the budget to buy the appliance. However, buying either one can add a measure of convenience, efficiency, and fun to your cooking.